And that's the code what we have. That's the heater line that where it goes on the tank. It's two from the tank to the DF pump, and one from the pump to the DF injector. So it's three lines, heater lines that we have to replace today. And truck should be okay. We got reset urea, and we gotta take the durate mode out. We got. This is the heater lines. That's what we're gonna replace it. We're missing one, so we had to come back and know tomorrow. I remove the fender and the step to reach those lines. Okay, that's the lines right here. See? Okay, there is 1, 2, and 3 that goes from the pump to the DF injector. Okay, the line goes right here and goes through here. That's right here. The third line.